Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to ungroup smart object in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your document or file. I already opened this document. See this smart object layer, ungroup smart object. See this smart object layer. Double click smart object icon. Click OK. Then open new window. Simply ungroup. Hold Control, select multiple layer or hold Shift, select all layer. Smart object layer. Then simply click and drag on your mouse, cross it and see this ungroup smart object. Delete this. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.